Grandma is helping.
Yeah, like I'm living. Live it.
Happy Thanksgiving! Welcome back, Spencer fam, and in today's video we're going to be baking. As you can see, we have two instant mixes. We have banana nut and blueberry. We wanted something easy because we're going to be baking with little Miss Elissia. Dinner is ready. We just need to put these in so we can sit down and enjoy with our families here. We hope that you're all having a wonderful day with your family.
Right. We brought a little joy into your home.
Basically what you need is the instant mix, milk of your choice.
The baking tray.
We have the baking tray for the muffins. We're gonna do 6 each, so you're gonna need your muffin cups. We're gonna do 6 each. So then you have your bowl, spoons for the mixing, oven to 375, and it'll beep when it's ready. And we've opened the blueberry
And the banana nut.
and the banana nut. So let's pour it in. Wanna pour it in with Grandma?
Let's hold it, and pour. Pour. Good, careful, and we shake. Shake.
Yay.
And baby's hands are in. Oh, all right.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
You're really liking this, Elissia.
Ready, baby? Look. Pour in.
So now we're going to pour in
Wow.
our liquid. We're using milk instead of water.
So you can use milk or water for this recipe. Or we're using milk. That's how. All right. And now we're going to come in. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Good girl.
Good job. All right. Now let's pour this one. Yay!
Good job, Elissia.
Good job,
Good
baby.
job.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So we have the milk with the cake mix. Yeah, cake.
Yeah.
Cake. Yeah, we'll clean up after. I know
Banana
you
nut
want
and
to.
Alicia's got her own spoon.
And
And we
do
stir.
The stir. The stir. The stir. Any tricks for us with the stirring, Grandma?
I'm using like a cotton fold, but you don't have to.
Cut and fold.
Wonderful.
There you go. You want to make sure you get the lumps out so your mix goes in smooth. Okay, you want to do it. Okay, you do it. Good girl. You do it. Okay.
Wow, I love your spoon, baby. I know.
I
Mommy
know.
is helping, Grandma is helping. We both have 2
Yeah.
spoons.
Stir, 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 and we stir, 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 and we stir, stir, stir. Yay! You're doing a great job with the blueberry mix.
Wonderful.
As you're brown. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Good girl.
Yum, yum. Smells real good, doesn't it, baby? Smells real good.
Oh yeah.
All right.
We're gonna take out 6 of each so we know what's what flavors and what.
That's right.
Okay, 1, 2, there you go. Now, you gonna see? Alright. Elissia is very smart. Just show her one time and she's able to do it. See? Now she knows exactly where they go. And there is our oven.
Oven is ready.
That's right, baby.
Well done. Grandma's gonna move hers to the back. How about
Okay.
that?
Yeah. There you go, Bobby. Alright.
Well done, baby.
Awesome.
Elissia. Good job. Good
And if you're
job.
following along with us, awesome for you in the green. We'll do blueberry in the brown. And let's try to remember that. Okay.
And we're just doing, we're filling these cases halfway.
Okay, we're gonna do them halfway. hand down. I'm holding on for dear life here.
Elissia.
Sorry. Coming through. Chef Elissia in the kitchen. Alright, so I'm going to move these to the side. Grandma can
Finish filling
Yeah.
them. Okay,
clean
baby.
up and
Thank
just make
you
sure they're
very
all
much.
good. Right, here they are. Going in. Watching. We hope that you enjoyed. We hope that you try this out. If you try this recipe out and you love it, let us know. Comment below. Tag us in your post. Thank you for our special 500. We're at 500 subscribers at this time, and we really appreciate you.
Mwah.
Bye bye.
Happy
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Yay! Thank you, baby. It's okay.
You gave mommy some makeup.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. That's the blueberry makeup. The new blueberry makeup. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we're making. Yeah. We're making blueberry muffins for dessert. Getting ready to eat our Thanksgiving din-din. See all the juices. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It's so good. Thanksgiving. Got mac and cheese, glazed ham, potato salad, rice and gungu. We have gravy right there, roast beef, carved jerk chicken, carved wine, soft drinks, and everything will be coming out after. There we have it. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.